What's up guys, welcome to a speed test comparison between the Oppo F19 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy A51. The Oppo F19 Pro is the latest mid-range smartphone after the Oppo F17 Pro, while the A51 is almost 1 year old. So in this video we are gonna find out which is best and which one you should buy for heavier games or for your normal use between the F19 Pro and the A51. So without any further ado, let's get into it. And as always, the first test will be a boot up test, so here we go. Now let's see which one of them is gonna perform better than the other one. As on the Oppo F19 Pro we get 8 gigs of RAM, while on the A51 we get 6 gigs of RAM. So let's see the gaming performance of both smartphones. And logos are moving around. Well, you can see the first boot up test won by the Samsung A51, while the Oppo F19 Pro was right behind, and I think it was about 2 second difference, which is not a huge difference at all. Well, you can see here the first boot up test won by the A51 and followed by the F19 Pro, and I think the A51 was about 2 seconds faster while booting up. Okay, so before starting the test, you guys can see both of them have got the same Wi-Fi connection, and also everything is completely turned off on the background. So starting from some light applications, and the first one is going to be system dialer. Well, you can see it was exactly at the same time. Messages, and this one goes to the Oppo F19 Pro. Camera, well, again this one goes to the F19 Pro. Now let's try these third-party applications to see the real difference between the F19 Pro and the Galaxy A51. Welcome back guys. So it was a speed test and RAM management test between the F19 Pro and the A51, and as you guys saw here the keyboard performance of both smartphones, actually the F19 Pro has just killed the Galaxy A51 in every single application, and the RAM management of both of them was also about the same, which is good enough. Now the choice is yours, but I will definitely prefer the Oppo F19 Pro over the Samsung A51 in 2021 for your normal use and for heavier games such as PUBG, Fortnite and Call of Duty mobile game, because the Oppo F19 Pro have got powerful chipset and also higher RAM as well as attractive design compared to A51, as you guys can see here. Okay guys, so it was all from us for today. Make sure to subscribe our channel and give thumbs up to this video. Thanks for watching us, and as always, keep supporting us.